Hello everyone, it's Rick from Brilliant 3D Studio. I just wanted to thank everybody for watching our videos on all platforms, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Please like and subscribe. We love doing this and we'd love to have you keep watching. We're working on a Peacemaker helmet and I wanted to show you the stages of working on a 3D print. Right now what you're seeing is the finished print on our printer. It's ready to be removed. All the supports are still intact. We'll have to break off the supports and clean it up with just some rough sandpaper on the edges. Now I've skipped a few magnets just because you don't really need that many. This is the other half, which, as you can see, you see all the magnets here, and it makes it easier to get on and more comfortable to wear. Basically, what a magnet's going to allow you to do is just snap the helmet on like that. So the first step after this, we're going to go around, and in these little crevices you're going to see little pieces of extra plastic. You could take a little knife, and what I do is I'll go through here and I'll just scrape out whatever I need. And a lot of that will just come right off because it's just extra filament from the extrusions. Once those are all removed, and you're still going to have some rough edges here, which we're going to take care of at a later time. You're not going to worry about those right now because they're too rough for this first sand. You're going to take some 80 grit sandpaper and you're going to just start sanding. And I like using black PLA or PLA Plus or PETG or whatever your choice is, because you can really see the sanding. When you sand it, you're going to see it turn like a gray, and then you're going to see some of the layer lines. And that's okay, because we're not looking to get rid of the layer lines. We're just looking to knock down the edges. After this step, we're going to be taking this helmet and dusting it with a coat of filler primer. And then we're going to sand the whole helmet once again. We're going to prime it again, sand it again, prime it again, sand it again, and do that multiple times. Once that helmet is completely coated, you're going to let it dry a few days because you really want it to dry and get hard. Then you're going to scuff it one more time with 320. Once you do that, you should have a perfectly smooth helmet ready to accept paint. Thanks for watching. Look for more of our tutorials.